never worried too much about the sub-zero winds or avalanches, the pissed-off moose, the charging grizzlies. It's people who concern me. People's why I use this cave as my safe. This was the edge of the map, and that's where folks go to escape trouble and make more. Alaska might have 1,000 ways to kill you, but murder was at the top of the list. I'd rather stay away from that messy hunger. Not out of fear, but annoyance and exhaustion. I could smell a storm coming, so I headed into the outpost called Scar, deep in native Athabascan country. I avoided it, except when I needed money or supplies. Or a drink. He's the one you're looking for. You want someone crazy enough for the job you're talking about, especially with a blizzard on the way.